The high-pitched campaign for the May 10 Karnataka polls is over now, and the results will be out on May 13. Analysts believe that the outcome may sway the markets at best in the short term. The other key domestic factors which may affect the markets in the short to medium term include the progress of monsoon, falling rural demand, corporate results for the March 2022 quarter. While the street will prefer that the government at the centre keep important states under its fold, but a different outcome in the Karnataka polls will not derail equities for long, analysts believe.
Markets prefer the incumbent government at the center to have politically important states in its fold. So, naturally, the markets would cheer if BJP is able to form the government in Karnataka. If that was to happen, we could see a decent up move immediately post the exit polls, which will be followed by a stronger momentum post the declaration of the results. However, if BJP is unable to form the government, the markets could see a temporary correction and then possibly get back on track, as the other logic will come into play that the electorate votes differently in assembly elections versus general elections. So I really don't see the markets getting derailed for long, even if the elections go against BJP.
Besides the domestic cues, eyes will also be on the global factors such as interest rate trajectory of central banks, crude oil prices, movement of the dollar index, and geopolitical situation, which analysts believe will be trend deciders for the markets. That said, calendar year 2023 from here on is peppered with state elections, which includes Karnataka in May, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in November, and then Rajasthan in December.
The factors which will guide the markets going ahead would be the earnings, being the year end would be an extended session, Karnataka election outcome, monsoons which are due in a month, and the crude oil prices. Globally, issues such as recession fears which continue in US and Europe, as well as the banking crisis. Markets now seem to have taken the Russia-Ukraine war as a new normal.
G. Chokalingam of Economics Research and Advisory 2 suggests that the Karnataka Assembly polls can, at best, have a minor sentimental impact on the markets in the short run, rather than deterring their overall course. As per the analyst, markets are unlikely to be impacted significantly post-Karnataka election outcome. The state accounts for only around 5% or 28 seats of the total Lok Sabha strength. Even if the BJP loses power, but manages to retain even 40 to 50% of its current strength in the state, markets will believe that the objective of voters in an assembly poll versus Lok Sabha elections differs quite significantly. Today on May 9th, the market is likely to remain range-bound amid lack of global and domestic triggers. Apollo Tyres, Indraprastha Gas, Lupin, SRF and Castrol India are some of the companies that are scheduled to announce their March 2023 quarter numbers today.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.